Welcome to the new revolution in seed starting and sharing. This video is a guide to growing from seed, saving what works, and building local garden resilience through seed starting, saving, and libraries. Seeds are gaining popularity as a practical response to various limits. Gardeners are moving beyond dependency on nursery starts, embracing more variety, lower cost, and better timing for microclimates. Seed starting promotes local adaptation, diversity, and food resilience. The seed cycle involves starting, growing, observing, saving, labeling, and sharing. Gardeners learn which seeds thrive locally and put those successful seeds back into circulation. This repeatable loop is the core of the revolution. In regions like Southern California, microclimates change the rules. Coastal, inland, and desert-adjacent gardens behave differently. Local seed knowledge matters because locally proven varieties are valuable, especially with water stress and diverse warm and cool season crops. Shared seeds carry essential local growing notes and experience. Seed libraries function as garden infrastructure, turning small seed packets into public knowledge. Typically, you take a limited number of seeds, grow them, observe their performance, and return clean, labeled seeds and notes. Maximize use by pairing seeds with local guides and planting calendars. Seed gathering is simple collection, while seed saving is a documented process. Saving involves selecting healthy parent plants, letting the seed mature, cleaning, drying, labeling, storing, and sharing responsibly. Remember to label every packet clearly with the plant, variety, year, source, and growing notes. For beginners, friendly seeds include beans, peas, lettuce, herbs like cilantro and basil, and marigolds. More advanced seeds, like squash, corn, and brassicas, often require isolation and specific planning. Do not share invasive, diseased, or unlabeled seeds, or those from protected wild areas. A simple seed starting workflow helps prevent common failures. Use a clean, light mix and ensure correct planting depth. Maintain even moisture, damp, not saturated, and provide strong light to prevent leggy seedlings. Label and thin seedlings, and always harden off before transplanting. To run a stronger seed swap, maintain minimum standards: clean, dry seed, clear labels, and growing notes. Do not include invasive, diseased, or unidentified seeds. For the event structure, consider separate tables for different seed types and a dedicated beginner table with instructions. Invite master gardeners or local garden clubs. The main takeaway is that seeds transform gardening into a repeatable, local knowledge system. Start your seeds. Observe what performs well, save the strongest, label them clearly, and share locally. Join a seed library or swap and create a simple label template for your packets. Here are the sources and further reading used to create this video. Please prioritize clean, dry, labeled seeds and avoid sharing anything invasive, diseased, treated without disclosure, or unidentified.